Hey everyone, check out this ultimate 18-in-1 FTTH fiber optic toolkit. It comes packed with a high-precision fiber cleaver and a reliable cable stripper. You also get a handy optical power meter and a visual fault locator for smooth testing. The universal connectors support various interfaces like SD, SC, and FC effortlessly. Designed for versatility and long service life, it handles your network installation needs with ease. Upgrade your toolkit today and experience professional-grade performance on every single job. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.